Item number 8. Submission supporting the RAL licence application. Who's done this, Jane?
Okay, I'll take the report as read. There's just one issue to raise. Gareth had a phone call with Doc, was it, prior to this meeting happening, and only council and the TTCB have asked to be heard, so they would only be holding a hearing because of us. So whether or not you actually do want to be heard.
What's the recommendation, Mr. Green?
Well, the suggestion is that you probably don't. If council agrees with the officer recommendation here in terms of the draft submissions, as you'll see, they're in support. So from a timing perspective, etc., we would actually be trying to support something but holding it up, and which seems obviously ironic. So the suggestion is that if governments agree with these submissions, that we simply email the Department of Conservation and say.
They've already gone.
Believe that where they might want to be heard, we don't actually need to be heard anymore. And so carry on.
Okay. Any questions or queries, Councillor Cousins?
Chair, I'd like to move this next resolution. It's a no-brainer, I think, for all of us.
Just number 1 of the resolution, Zane? Yeah. Seconded by Councillor Stewart, moved by Councillor Cousins. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carried. Thank you, Jane.